Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ingrid here from Ingridjoyaromas. Today I want to show you how I'm making the Citrus Lavender Room Spray, and today we are going to use some of these oils, but first I want to show you what I have here. So I have this mixture water here with 95% alcohol, and I had just a mixture I make right now because I am going to be making a few more small room sprays. So I just make a mixture of water and on 95% alcohol, and I'm using lavender, I'm using sweet orange, and I'm using peppermint. So as you can see, I have some brand new gloves here today, guys. I got them from More Beauty Inc. She does Botoxes and stuff. So I got to have some new gloves today. I mean, I have the clear one, I have the blue one, I have the black one, and now I have the pink one. I don't know which other colors out there, so let me know. I'm so excited trying new gloves. So these are the three oils we're using today, and I'm going to be using 17 drops of the lavender, and I'm using 17 drops of the sweet orange, and then I'm going to be using 6 drops of the peppermint. And you need a 4-ounce bottle for this, guys, but I am using 3 ounces. I need my room spray to be a little stronger, so I can't get this oil out. Let me try. So I got a couple drops in there already, so let me see if I can get this one in. There we go. I gotta take out that little thing from it. Dislike it, guys. I have to take it out just after I finish here. So I'm gonna be stop talking for a little bit because I need to count 17 drops from this bottle and 17 drops from the other bottle. So tight. So I'm going to be also putting up the recipe, this recipe, on the front of the screen for you. I mean, if you overdo it, it's fine. Just make it a little stronger, and just to let you know that this is also safe for kids. I like my room spray to be strong. Actually, it smells beautiful. I have just start dropping it in a bottle, and these oils are so beautiful right now. I can't imagine giving this a shake and give it a spray at the end. I'll see what's happening. So what I'm gonna, because already say I made my mixture already with water and 95% alcohol. So I'm gonna just fill this bottle up. You can also make this with the rose water in the summertime. If you have roses on your trees outside, you can give them a good wash and give them a good boil, simmer I should say. And you can also make that with your room spray, and Just add a little bit of alcohol inside of it, depending on the amount that you're making. Let's get these out of the way. I'm giving it a couple sprays right now. Oh, that smells beautiful already. Oh, my goodness. This would be lovely for your closet. Or any other places. I would love to put spray some of these in my shoes as well. Well, anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.